Okay, hi everyone. So today, as I told you in this video, I will be explaining you the questions related to the equilateral triangles. So I have first question. So he has given points a comma a. Next point is minus a comma minus a, and third point is minus root 3a comma root 3a. Okay, so you need to prove that these 3 points are the vertices of equilateral triangle. Okay, we need to prove that these 3 points are the vertices of the equilateral triangle. So what is the properties of equilateral triangle? So in equilateral triangle we know that all the sides are equal. So all the sides are equal. So a, b, c. Okay, he has given the two things. First one is you need to prove that these 3 vertices are forming a equilateral triangle, and second thing is asking you need to find the area of triangle. Okay, so here first question is you need to prove that the given questions are given 3 points are the vertices of equilateral triangle. So in vertices of equilateral triangle, so all the sides will be equal. So AB will be equal to BC, BC will be equal to AC. So to prove this condition, we will be proving AB will be equal to BC and BC will be equal to AC. To find the area of triangle, you need to take the help of the formula. The formula is root 3 by 4 side square. So how you got this formula, I will explain. See, so as we know in the equilateral triangle all the sides are equal, so I am just taking a distance, all the distance are a. So to find the area of triangle, so I am just taking a help of the median. So it will divide the equilateral triangle into 2 parts. So this looks like a right angle triangle, and this total side is a. Now this part will be a by 2, and we know the hypotenuse is a. We need to find the length of this. Okay, so how can you find? We will be using the Pythagoras theorem. We know that hypotenuse square, so hypotenuse square is nothing but adjacent square, so a square by 4 plus this side. So this side we need to find. I am just giving point is as a AD. So if I send this to left side, so a square minus a square by 4 is equal to AD. So 4 will go here, so 4a square minus a will get 3a square is equal to 4. So this is AD square. Okay, so we need to find the value of AD, so it will become square root. So we'll get this one as root 3a by 2. So this is a area of this triangle. So we have 2 triangles here. Okay, so 2 triangles ఉన్నాయి. So totally we have so is it correct? 4a square, so we'll get 3a square by 4. Okay, so we have 2 triangles. So similarly this triangle also has a same length, same. We got the value of AD. Okay, what is the value of AD? So the value of AD we got now. AD means height. So height of the triangle we got root 3 a by 2. We have a base is a by 2. Okay. Next, what is the area of triangle formula? Half into base into height. So root 3 a by 2 into a by 2. So root 3 a into a become a square. This is 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So as we have the 2 triangles, so area of this triangle is root 3 a square by 8. We need to find the area of 2 triangles. So we will be adding this to value 2 times. So we know the area of triangle. Area of this triangle is root 3 a square by 8. So this is 2 times. So we need to add same root 3 a square by 8. So if you add, we'll get 2 root 3 a square by 8. So 2 1 2 4. The answer is root 3 a square by 4. So this is how we got the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. A is nothing but side here. Okay, so now what you need to do, you just find, first thing is you need to prove that AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. You just find it. Okay, so you will be going to get the equal value as 2 root. Okay, the AB will be 2 root 2a, BC will be 2 root 2a, and similarly AC value will be also 2 root 2a. Just substitute these points. You substitute these points in the distance formula, so you will be going to get the distance as a. So if you want to find the area, so you need to substitute the value side value is root 2 root 2a. You need to put a square. Okay, we'll get root 3 by 4 into 2 root 2 whole square. So we'll get a square 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. 2 root are 4 and root 2 2 into 2. So we'll get 8. So 4 1s are 4 2s are. So 2 root 3 a square.